We're in a tornado. I mean, like, a tornado's coming and we are in the basement, just in case. And we just wanted to tell you that we're in our basement right now. See, my mommy's old crib, right over there. My shelf over the basement. Some stuff right over there. Potting, some carpet, stuff, whatever, whole box, stuff like that. And the tornado's about to come. Okay, so this is me. The tornado's about to come. My parents have told me and my family to come down here. My little brother's here. My dad's here. My grandfather's here. And my mom's here. So, I just wanted to tell you that now I'm down here in a tornado. I might make another video while the tornado